The DJI Mavic 4 has finally been leaked again. In fact, it has just been registered to FCC and it has been spotted while testing the camera. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. So the Mavic 4 first got leaked back in July, and this was the video that was leaked. It showed the unusual shape of the drone, with the gimbal mounted right at the front of the drone, without hanging down the nose. This will allow 180 degrees tilt, just like the Mini 3 and 4. We could also see a reversed folding mechanism, with the back arms folding forward, which was also there on the latest Minis. This detail is more noticeable in the new leaked image, where we can see the folded Mavic 4 stacked above a Mavic 3 Pro and placed between two cameras. As I mentioned in the beginning, we also have the product label of the Mavic 4, which was registered to FCC a few days ago. On the label is also indicated the battery capacity, which is quite a lot bigger. 164471 versus 5000 milliamps of the Mavic 3. So while the 46 minutes of the Mavic 3 were already impressive, we could see an improvement with the 4th generation. Let's now talk about the possible release date. Considering the FCC registration, it should take around 1 month or 2. But this time, I personally think it will take longer. That's because there are only 2 leaked images, and both or them are of early prototypes of the drone. So my opinion is that it could be delayed to early 2025, but DJI could still make it for around November or December. I will keep you updated with all the leaks, so subscribe to the channel to be updated.